hurricane warning remains in effect for the northwest Oregon and Washington coast. Hurricane Sandy. A major and extremely deadly hurricane is expected to make landfall in Tillamook, Oregon around 3:15 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. This superstorm is expected to be a Category 5 hurricane with winds up to 300 miles per hour. Evacuation orders are currently in effect for the following counties. In Oregon, western Clatsop and Tillamook counties. In Washington, western Clallam, Clark, Cowlitz, Grays Harbor, Jefferson, Pacific, and Wahkiakum counties. If you live in the listed areas, and have not done so, evacuate now. Follow the most designated evacuation route set up by your local authorities. This hurricane will be extremely dangerous for if you do not leave, you will face certain death. All residents of Central Oregon and Washington are advised to remain in their homes, avoid traveling, and stay off the telephone and cell phones except for emergencies. Stay tuned to KYTE 102.7, or to other weather media outlets for further updates and information on this situation.